What if one of the coldest, emptiest places on Earth became green and livable? What if the massive ice sheet covering the world's largest island completely vanished? This isn't just a sci-fi fantasy. For a brief period, Vikings called this land Greenland for a reason, settling its coastal fringes 1,000 years ago. Before them and long after them, the Inuit thrived here, mastering a harsh environment. Today, it's an autonomous territory of Denmark, home to just 56,000 people, most living on a narrow, ice-free coast. But the rest of the island, a landmass bigger than Mexico, is buried under ice. That ice sheet is the key. It covers 80% of Greenland and is, in some places, nearly 2 miles thick. If all of it were to melt, global sea levels would rise by over 23 feet, or about 7 meters. But as it melts, it would also reveal a new landscape, a vast coastline of deep fjords and rugged mountains, with a large central basin that might even become an inland sea. Scientists have found evidence that Greenland was actually ice-free and forested in the distant past, and climate models suggest it could be again, though we read talking about a process that would take centuries, if not millennia, under the most extreme warming scenarios. So what would a green Greenland look like? Well, for starters, it would be a resource powerhouse. Hidden beneath the ice lies a treasure trove of rare earth elements. Lithium, niobium, zinc, and more minerals that are absolutely critical for building the batteries, wind turbines, and electronics of our green energy future. Unlocking these resources would be an economic game changer for Greenland, but it wouldn't be easy. Building mines, ports, and infrastructure in a newly exposed but still remote and rugged landscape presents enormous challenges. This potential has not gone unnoticed. As the ice recedes, global superpowers are looking north. The United States, China, and Russia are all jockeying for influence, seeing Greenland as a strategic foothold in the Arctic. It's not just about resources. It's about new shipping routes opening up and military positioning. The U.S. has long maintained a base at Thule, and the strategic importance of the island is only growing. But for the people of Greenland, this global attention is a double-edged sword, bringing opportunities for independence and wealth, but also the risk of being caught in a great power competition. But here's the crucial trade-off, the one we can't ignore. The very same process that makes Greenland habitable would be catastrophic for the rest of the world. While a new frontier opens in the north, coastlines globally would be redrawn. Cities like Miami, Shanghai, Mumbai, and Amsterdam would face an existential threat from rising seas. The creation of this new green land for a few would come at the direct cost of displacing hundreds of millions of people and submerging trillions of dollars worth of infrastructure. So while the idea of a green and thriving Greenland is fascinating, the reality is that it has a future that would come at a devastating price for the rest of our planet. The world that could create a habitable Greenland is a world many of us wouldn't recognize. What other big what-if questions should we explore next? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the future of our world. Thanks for watching.